Hello, and welcome to the tutorials on the Enterprise Process Center. The EPC is designed to capture and standardize important information and knowledge to help you with your daily operations and managerial activities. We have created several tutorial videos to help ease your first steps in working with the EPC. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log in to the EPC web app as well as the initial views and features found in the web app homepage. Logging in is the entry point for the EPC web app. In order to access the EPC 10 login page, you will need to type the company-specific URL into your browser's URL address bar. If you don't have the URL, please request it from your system admin. This is the EPC login page that lets you access the EPC web app. Please note that the colors might vary depending on your administrator's settings. If you are a content editor, once logged in, you will be able to access the EPC modeler as well. To log into the EPC web app, enter your username, password, and log in. If you are provided with a single sign-on, the username and password will already be entered for you. Once logged in, you'll be brought to the home page by default. Here, you can view your customizable widgets, which quickly provide you with the pertinent information you need to help with your daily operational and managerial activities in a productive manner. The widgets you'll first see have been preset by your admin. Navigating the web app is done by accessing the menu in the top left-hand corner. This panel allows you to switch between the different EPC modules such as the home page, process, performance, organization, documents, and collaboration. The available modules may vary depending on your company's EPC license. If you are a content editor, you can also use this panel to launch the modeler. In the top right corner, this drop-down menu will allow you to access the My Profile page, System Admin Settings if you have admin rights, Environment Admin Settings if you have environment admin rights, and the Logout button. To the left of this is the Notifications menu, which will notify you of certain events which are directly tied to a user's items and responsibilities, allowing you to keep up to date on all essential job pertinent information. For example, you would receive a notification if an item you are subscribed to undergoes a change or update, or if you are set as the approver of an item and someone initiates or cancels an approval cycle. Notifications are detailed in a separate video. Finally, to the left of this is the search bar, which allows you to filter and search for anything in the EPC. You can do a simple search by typing search terms into the text box, or use the advanced search button to filter results by type and time, giving you a more precise filtered result. The home page, by default, will display the widgets set by the environment administrator. However, users are encouraged to customize their individual home page based on job requirements and personal preferences. Widgets are small information windows that fetch and display EPC data in meaningful ways based on your preferences. What and how they display the information is fully customizable. There are three types of widgets: My Objects, My Actions, and My Performance. My Objects can be used to feature any object within the EPC. These items can be processes, process components, or associated items such as assets, documents, resources, roles, etc. My Performance can be used to feature process performance measures such as KPIs, KCIs, and KRIs. Finally, the My Actions widget allows users to feature items they are actively engaging with. These are items that users act upon or are requiring their action, such as objects pending review, approval, or confirmation, as well as improvement requests pending review, approval, implementation, or publishing. Any of these widgets can be added to the home page by opening the Manage Widgets dropdown in the top right, clicking on Add Widget, and selecting your widget of choice. Widgets can also be removed by opening the drop-down in the top right corner of the widget window and selecting Remove Widget. You can have multiple widgets on your home page, and you can reshape and place them in whatever way best suits your needs. You can revert the widgets back to the default layout by clicking on the Manage Widget dropdown and selecting Reset to Default. Settings for each widget can be changed by opening the dropdown in the top right corner of the widget window and selecting Settings. For a detailed explanation of all widget settings, please see the Widget Settings tutorial video.